Today we'll be making chicken curry. It's one of my favorite dishes. Hello, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome to yet another episode in my kitchen. If you're new here, karibu sana to this channel. We do amazing content. If you have not subscribed, tafadhali click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you're going to get notified. We are Vlogmass episode 3. If you have not watched my other 2 episodes in the kitchen, please, I need you to go and watch those videos. I have amazing content for you. You need to stay tuned. Today I'll be doing another very simple recipe, chicken curry. You need to stay tuned until the end of this video. Let's do this. So I've said today we'll be cooking chicken curry. And let me take you through the ingredients. I have the white onion. These are dhania stalks. This is garlic. I have my chicken. Okay, this is a full chicken. Sometimes I peel off the skin because I don't like it. Yes. I know some of you are saying, oh, you're wasting. I just don't like it. So this is the only part that I don't peel. Guess which part is this? So you need your chicken. These are blended tomatoes. This is the white vinegar. And this is cooking cream, curry powder, garlic powder, paprika. This is dhania or coriander leaves. I have my 3 bell peppers and tomato paste. This is cooking oil, some salt to taste. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by marinating my chicken, and I will use the white vinegar. This helps you also to get rid of that chicken smell. Paprika. A teaspoon is enough. Oops. And curry powder. Then garlic powder. Oops. Then you need your hands to be clean. I'm going to go in with my hands and mix this properly. So mix this properly and let it rest for an hour or so. So in your cooking pan, add in your cooking oil. Adding in my white onion. Right there. I like a lot of onion. It adds some yummy flavor in food. So add in your onion. And I'm going to let it brown. Also adding in the dhania stalks. This will give me that nice flavor that I want. add in some salt to taste. Normally cook my salt with my onions. So I'll be serving my curry with some rice that is boiling on the side. Once my onion browns, I'm adding in my garlic paste. Remember, garlic cooks very fast. Now I'm on low heat. Adding in my spices, my curry powder, a teaspoon, paprika, a teaspoon, and garlic powder, a teaspoon. I add them at this point because I want them to cook and release their sweet flavors. I love paprika. That one you cannot miss in my kitchen. My all time. So in here, I'm now going to add in my 3 bell peppers and tomato paste. This is going to be very yummy. I also need my tomato paste to cook, so you add in at this point. So once it cooks, I add in my blended tomatoes. In this yummy sauce, I'm going to add in my marinated chicken. Tunasema Krismasi tunakula chakula tamu, chakula mzuri. Okay? Sikunywe pombe sana. Chakula tamu. So add in your chicken pieces. We are going to cook this for 15 minutes on medium low heat. So once you add in, let it mix with our sauce. Mix it in with our sauce. Then we are going to let it cook. We want our chicken to absorb all those yummy flavors. So you need to keep on checking your chicken. After 15 minutes, I'm back. This is how it looks. Naona, inajua imeiva, mafuta ikianza you can see the oil You may separate. At this point, I'm going to add in my cooking cream. Okay, this is going to change the taste overally. It will be so yummy. Then you mix in well. So once you mix in, I'm going to let this simmer for 3 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. This looks so yummy. Look at that. So now finally I'm going to garnish with my coriander leaves. Coriander leaves. Ama ukipenda dania. Then there you have your chicken. There you have your chicken curry. We switch off our heat. So I'm serving my chicken curry with rice. My rice in my kabakuli. I showed you this hack. Alafu tunaweka pale. Which is your favorite part ya kuku? Serving the thigh. The thigh is my favorite. Chicken thighs. Then we garnish with our spring onion. I said this is for garnishing, yeah? You don't have to eat this. There are people who eat anyway, but you really don't have to eat this. There you have it. Ready to dig in. This is yummy. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. Please like, share, subscribe. I want to see you in my next video. Bye.